Hi guys, in this how-to every step video I'm going to show you how I cleaned a faded car headlight by hand just using toothpaste and then applying an ultraviolet protective sealant using carnauba wax in 10 easy to follow steps. So, step 1. Clean the headlight lens. Spend a bit of time really cleaning any dirt from the headlight lens. This is important because any grit left on the headlight lens is likely to cause deep scratches when you start scrubbing the headlight lens later on. Make sure you wipe well around the edges of the headlight to ensure no grit makes its way onto the front of the lens later on. Water and a cloth should be enough to wipe clean. Step 2. Apply toothpaste. You should use a whitening toothpaste because they contain slightly harsher abrasives, which will be more effective at cleaning your headlight. Any brand should work. Generously apply the toothpaste. Use a piece of clean sponge to work the toothpaste all over the headlight lens. Step 3. Spray with water. This helps lubricate when scrubbing. Step 4. Scrub with a sponge. Scrub the headlight lens in a circular motion. Ensure you scrub the whole headlight lens. Spend more time scrubbing the more faded or rougher areas. Spray again with water if the toothpaste starts to dry out. You will find the headlight lens becomes smoother and easier to scrub. Step 5. Wipe residue away. Remove all residue to remove the oxidised layer. Step 6. Repeat step 2 to 5. The purpose of this second scrub is really to polish the headlight lens and remove any scratches caused due to scrubbing away the oxidised layer. So again, apply the toothpaste, lightly spray with water, scrub the headlight lens. Clean away all toothpaste residue. Step 7. Dry the headlight lens. Thoroughly dry the headlight lens with a paper towel in preparation for applying the wax sealant. Step 8. Apply carnauba wax. I always use a carnauba car wax to seal headlight lenses because it forms a UV resistant layer which will protect the headlight lens from fading in the future. Apply a generous layer of the carnauba wax and work it into the headlight lens in a circular motion and then back and forth. Step 9. Allow wax to dry. Allow the carnauba wax to fully dry prior to buffing. Step 10. Buff the headlight lens. Use a clean microfiber cloth to remove the excess carnauba wax and then buff thoroughly. Keep buffing using clean parts of the microfiber cloth until the headlight lens is perfectly transparent and achieves a glossy finish. Here is the finished result. The headlight is gleaming and now in a as new condition. There we go guys, job done. Here is a before and after shot to show the transformation. So here is the every step summary. And here is a list of tools and materials required. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, subscribe and leave comments below. Click above for more how-to every step videos.